Hi, this is Hannah Taylor, and I was a web designer and developer intern for Law Firm Sites. Law Firm Sites is a company in American Fork, Utah that creates websites for law firms and a few other various types of companies, but mainly law firms. And they have over 100 active clients, and they design and develop a website for the client using WordPress, and they host the website, and they also create the blog content and SEO for the company. So some of my tasks were to do full build of websites and page builds, and I also designed some website prototypes using Adobe XD. I also did several client help desk tickets, some of those including doing WordPress updates. So those client tickets involved things like updating the wording on a certain page or adding different images, things like that. And I had several of those tickets to fill. And I also did some full page design and development, and I was able to learn a little bit of SEO. And then I also set up Google Analytics and AdWords. And my biggest project, I designed infographics from blog posts from different clients. So my first big project was doing this full website build for a Summit View dental company. Like I said, they create websites for more than just lawyers and attorneys. So I received a prototype that looked just like this here, and built it using WordPress and HTML and CSS and also PHP. And we used a lot of advanced custom fields, which is a plugin in WordPress. And using that allows better ease of access for the client so that they don't have to go into the code to make changes if they need to. They can just go onto WordPress and go to the certain page and make changes. So incorporating that using PHP was something new that I learned. I also learned Bootstrap on this project, which I hadn't learned in my classes before, so it was really exciting. And I helped build out all 6 pages. My mentor assisted me and kind of helped me get through the process of building this. And as I mentioned, my biggest project was creating 27 infographics. I was given a list of 27 different blog posts from various clients, and I was also given a Shutterstock ID for infographic templates. So I built these from those templates in Illustrator, but I included my own touch, like choosing out the text and the icons and the colors to match the look and feel of the blog post. And the hardest part of this was just condensing the blog post into kind of bite-sized elements. And these will be used to give to the clients to help them understand that this is something that law firm sites can do for them, and then they can take that and put it on their social media or website or however they want to use it. So that was a really fun project that I got to do. And I also got to do a design prototype for Women Lawyers of Utah. Sometimes law firm sites will take a few companies a year and more organizations and companies and build their website kind of as a volunteer for that organization, but also to get their name out there so that other lawyers can see, law firm sites down in the corner. And so I built these in Adobe XD and got all the content and images um, from Women Lawyers of Utah website. And so they will take these designs and give them to the organization and pitch it to them and see if they're interested. And some of my more recent projects involved building out pages. I was given a prototype with the exact same design, and I built it in WordPress, and accessing the cPanel, I changed the HTML, PHP files, and worked on the design in CSS. And so for this one, this was just a landing page redesign that I did. And then also over here, I redesigned the homepage, landing page. Well, I didn't design it, I developed it. But this here is a new slider that I created using WordPress and Bootstrap and CSS. So I was so grateful for this opportunity to work for a law firm site. They really gave me such a good opportunity to work for actual clients. I was so happy that they trusted me to work for actual clients and get the real hands-on experience that I needed. I learned so much, and I hope that, well, I'm potentially waiting to get an offer from them to work for them, which is exciting. I'll hear that in a few days, I think. If that doesn't work out, I will hopefully work for a web design company doing web and graphic design, or I could continue working on my freelance web design and development projects. So yeah, that was my internship experience. Thank you for watching.